Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Budge Tech. I got some requests from the last video I made. They say that I should make a video on face masks because due to the pandemic, some people can't go outside to buy face masks. So I'm going to make a disposable face mask for you guys. So the things that we're going to need for the face masks are, of course, your tissues, your rubber bands, and staplers. And before I start anything, I have to do this to sanitize my hand first to prevent what's going on. So now I've done that, so I'm gonna start making disposable face masks. So now I'm gonna get my tissue down. I have to insert the stapler pin. This is what I'm gonna use. This stapler pin. I got more, but so I'm gonna insert the stapler pin. So now this is the tissue I'm gonna use. During the course of this video, I'm gonna have to make two different face masks. In case you don't like the first one, you can use the second one. So we're gonna use 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now you've counted your 6 boxes, you cut it out. Then this, I'm gonna make it thick, or if you don't want, you can make it on light. So we're gonna fold here like this and fold this other side so that it's gonna be equal. Fold here and fold here. So now that we've done it like this, it's gonna be fluffy. So that is when the stapler comes in. So now we're gonna join here like this and bring out the stapler. Make sure you know how to use your stapler so you won't injure yourself, or you can call an elder to help you staple it. Very good. You can staple another side so that it won't cut easily. You staple it at the center first, then you staple the remaining side. Okay, so now you've done it like this. So now we are done. We are half done. So this is the front, this is the back. So now the mask is thick enough. Then we're going to add our string to connect it to here. So that's when the rubber band comes in. So now you can use any color of rubber band you want. So the ones I'm gonna bring out. So now we've brought out all our rubber bands. We're going to start joining them together. So you put this on the side. Then you can use any color of your choice. Then how to join, you put it like this. Then the stapler comes in. You staple here. Make sure you staple well. Okay, 2 times. Then staple this other side. Staple this other side like this. So you go to the other side, then staple the other side like this. Make sure you staple it well, or if you don't, you staple it twice so that it be strong. So we go to the other side like this, then we staple it this. So now that we staple it, our face mask is good and ready to go. So this is how the face mask is gonna be. So this is the ear side for hanging, and boom. So if you don't like these face masks, I'm gonna make 2 face masks because of you. So now Facemask. So now we are finished with this one. So in case you don't like this one, I'm going to make 2 disposable face masks. So I'm going to keep this one outside and bring our disposable napkin. So I bring out 1 layer. This is a new napkin. Get 1 layer. So bring it out carefully. Bring it out. This cut. I'm not sure this one is 1. Okay, there's 1. I keep this one aside. So now this is our disposable face mask, and I'm gonna fold it. So now this is our disposable napkin tissue. I'm going to fold it horizontally like this. Turn it the other way around, and you fold. Turn it this side, and you fold. Turn it the other side, fold. You keep on doing it like that until you eventually reach the end. Fold it again, then turn it over, fold, turn it over. Make sure it's very small, slim. Turn it over. So now we are done with the turning over like this. So now that we fold it, we're going to add the string that's going to be connected to the ear. Then you can use anything to hold it like this. So now you can choose any color your choice for the strings. And fold it like this. Like this. And fold it. Make sure you make a space for the stapler pin. And you staple it. Staple it twice. Staple it again. So you're gonna go to the other side of this thing. You also make the same thing you did on the other side, make it here again. So staple it, staple it. So now we are done with this first side like this. So we've done our 2 different type of disposable. So now we are done with our face masks. Very good and used to use. So now this is how it's gonna look when you are done making your face mask. So now thanks for watching this video, and oh my god, now we are done with our 2 disposable tissue face masks. Look at them right here. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you comment, subscribe, and share this video, and make sure you comment the video you want me to do next. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.